Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these super pretty, perfect for spring floral nails. So I went ahead and I sculpted out a fresh set of nails on her, and I used Young Nail Synergy Gel in Concealer Pink. It has great coverage, you don't see the nail underneath, it gives you that nice pink background. So since we have that concealer pink already down, we're not going to use a base color, we're going to go straight into the stamping. So I will be using my Sally Hansen's Black to Black for stamping polish. And for the stamping plate, I will be using my Born Pretty Large Plate 29. This one has lots of different floral designs on it. And then I will be using my Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling Stamper. So we had picked out 4 of the different floral designs that she really liked and wanted on her nails. So I went ahead and just started stamping each nail in that black. And then as we went through all 4 designs, I went ahead and I repeated the designs. And don't worry about all the stamping polish on the skin. We'll go and clean up everything at the very end. So now that we have all the stamping done, we're going to go ahead and color in the flowers. So all of the colors I will be using is from Madam Glam, and I will list them as I put them down. This dark green is going to be Lost in the Woods. This coral is Coral Flirt. The white is Madam Glam's Perfect White. The yellow is Mimosa. The peach is Cheek to Cheek. The lilac is a Light Lilac. This light green is Early Bird, and the blue is Aqua Blue. And I will be using my Robin Moses wand nail art brush for the detail work. So I'm just going to go in and like a coloring book, I'm going to fill in the flowers with different colors. And don't worry about covering up the lines because we will go over after we put down the color and we're going to re-stamp the outline down. So the first outline is just so we have the palette, and it's like a coloring book. So we're going to go in, color all the flowers in, and then we'll stamp the outline once again at the end. And then I did mix together that yellow and white to create a lighter yellow. And I am flash curing in between each finger. And I do apologize, I somehow missed the filming for coloring in the flower on her pointer finger. And then once I have all 5 done, we're going to go ahead and give it a full cure under the lamp since we are using gel polish. And now I'm going to take off the tacky layer from the gel polish. So now we're going to go back in and do the stamping once more. So you're going to take the same image and you just kind of have to line it up, which this is nice and a little easier to do with the clear stamper because you can see through it. So just take your time lining up the image and you'll stamp the outline like right on top of the old one. So now that all of the artwork is done, we're going to go ahead and top coat. And we'll be using my Young Nails stain resistant top coat on her because she is a hairstylist. Now that the nails are all top coated and cured, we're going to go ahead and clean up the skin. So I'm going to take a lint-free wipe in acetone and clean up the majority of it around the skin. And then I will go in with a clean it brush dipped in acetone and really get in her cuticles to get the rest of that black polish off. And here is the final result. This set came out so cute. We both love it so much. It's perfect for spring, and yet it's nothing over the top. Like, you still got that nude background, so it's subtle, but you got these cute little pops of colored flowers, and each nail is different. It came out so cute, and I love this set so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye!